In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to export a full zip to territory list from AlignMix and into Microsoft Excel. Now you can also use this type of export to export just a full list of zip codes if you haven't created any sales territories yet. To do that, you simply click here on File, then click on Export and Export to Excel. In the file that you currently see on the screen, there are only zip codes assigned to territories. So for this example, I'm only going to export my zip code list. Then you simply click on the Next button, and here you can customize how that export will look. Using this drop-down menu, you can even change the colors of the headings. So now let's click here on Finish, and now I will save this file to my desktop and click on Save. When the export is complete, the Excel file will appear on your screen right away. And here you can see we've got in column A a list of all of our zip codes, and then we've got their assigned territory and territory name. This list will include all 40,000 zip codes that are found in the US. If you also had districts and regions created, those assignments would appear here in addition to the assigned sales rep for that territory. If you also imported accounts, you would see a count of all the account segments, and if you've imported any zip code based data, that would also be included in this export. And there you go. You've just learned how to export your zip code list from AlignMix and into Microsoft Excel.